Our body does its deepest healing while we sleep, not while we eat or move. What we consume at night can either support that natural repair or quietly interfere with it. Olive oil, when used correctly, can be a gentle helper, but when used wrongly, it can create stress the body never asked for.
Millions of people are now drinking olive oil at night, believing it's a simple habit that can calm inflammation, ease digestion, and help the body heal while they sleep. But here's the truth. Most people don't realize olive oil at night can either become a powerful healing tool or a silent trigger for digestive stress, liver overload, and restless sleep, depending on how it's used. According to natural health educator Dr. Barbara O'Neill, timing, type, and combination matter more than the oil itself. One small mistake before bed can completely cancel the benefits, or even worsen the very problems you're trying to fix. In this video, you'll discover what truly happens inside your body when you drink olive oil at night, why it works differently during sleep hours, and the 3 critical mistakes you must avoid to protect your health. Drinking extra virgin olive oil before bed is a simple nightly remedy that has been used for centuries in natural healing traditions, and it is often discussed by Dr. Barbara O'Neill for its gentle but powerful effects on the body when used correctly. Olive oil is rich in oleic acid, polyphenols, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that work best when the body is in rest and repair mode, which begins shortly after you lie down to sleep. At night, the digestive system slows, the liver shifts into detox mode, and the intestines begin deep repair. When a small amount of high-quality extra virgin olive oil is taken during this window, it coats the digestive tract, stimulates gentle bile flow, and supports the liver's natural cleansing process without forcing the body to work too hard. This is why many people notice smoother bowel movements in the morning, reduced bloating, and less gut irritation after consistent use. Olive oil also helps calm low-grade inflammation that builds up during the day, especially in joints and connective tissues, which is why some people wake up with less stiffness and discomfort. At night, the nervous system moves into a parasympathetic state, and healthy fats, like olive oil, help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden drops that can disrupt sleep. This calming effect can make falling asleep easier and reduce nighttime restlessness. Olive oil also supports the lining of the stomach and intestines, helping protect against acid irritation when taken properly, which is especially helpful for people over 50 whose digestive lining becomes more sensitive with age. Additionally, olive oil supplies fat-soluble antioxidants that assist cellular repair while you sleep, supporting heart health, brain function, and hormone balance over time. However, these benefits only occur when olive oil is used in its pure form, in the right amount and at the right time. When taken correctly, it works quietly in the background, supporting digestion, easing inflammation, and helping the body reset overnight. But, when taken incorrectly, it can overload digestion, irritate the stomach, or interfere with sleep quality. Understanding how olive oil behaves in the body at night is the foundation for using it safely and effectively, especially for seniors and anyone dealing with chronic inflammation, digestive weakness, or poor sleep. Even though extra virgin olive oil can be very supportive at night, most people unknowingly make a few critical errors that turn this gentle remedy into a source of discomfort. The first major mistake is using the wrong type of olive oil. Refined or light olive oils are heavily processed, stripped of natural antioxidants, and often oxidized. When these oils are taken before bed, instead of calming inflammation, they can irritate the gut lining and place extra stress on the liver, especially in older adults whose detox capacity is already slower. Only cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil retains the natural compounds that make this remedy effective. The second common mistake is taking too much oil or taking it at the wrong time. Drinking a large quantity at night overloads digestion when the body is trying to rest. This can lead to nausea, heaviness in the stomach, acid reflux, or disturbed sleep. The body does not need excess fat at night. It needs a small, controlled amount that gently supports bile flow and tissue repair. Timing also matters. Taking olive oil immediately before lying flat can push stomach contents upward, especially in people with weak digestion or reflux issues. The third mistake is mixing olive oil with the wrong substances. Many people add lemon juice, hot water, or random viral combinations they see online, believing it will increase the benefits. At night, these combinations can overstimulate the stomach, increase acidity, and irritate the esophagus. Lemon and acidic mixtures are better suited for daytime use, not during the body's nighttime repair phase. Another overlooked issue is taking olive oil alongside certain medications without awareness. Olive oil can affect absorption and digestion, and when combined carelessly, it may reduce the effectiveness of medicines or worsen side effects. Some people also expect instant, dramatic results and increase the dose too quickly, which often leads to bloating or, loose stools. Olive oil works slowly and gently, forcing the process only creates imbalance. These mistakes explain why one person feels lighter and better after using olive oil at night, while another feels worse and gives up entirely. The oil itself is not the problem. The problem is how it is chosen, timed, and combined. So, understanding these errors is really essential before using olive oil as a nightly habit, especially for seniors, because, the aging digestive system is far less forgiving than it once was. The safest approach is to use only high-quality, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil that's stored in a dark glass bottle, since this helps preserve its natural anti-inflammatory compounds. The amount should always remain small. A teaspoon is enough for most people, especially those over 50, because the body needs support, not overload. Olive oil should be taken about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime when the stomach is relatively calm, but you aren't yet lying flat. This timing allows the oil to move smoothly through the digestive tract without triggering reflux or that feeling of heaviness. It should be taken plain, without lemon, without hot water, and without any aggressive mixtures that stimulate the stomach. At night, simplicity is what allows the body to heal. For people with sensitive digestion, taking a few sips of room temperature water afterward can help the oil settle without irritation. Consistency really matters more than quantity. When used regularly, even a small amount supports gentle bile flow, helping the liver carry out its natural detox work during sleep. Over time, many people notice improved morning bowel regularity, reduced joint stiffness, calmer digestion, and even better sleep quality. However, this routine is not for everyone. Folks with gallbladder issues, severe digestive disorders, or those taking multiple medications should be cautious and start slowly, really paying close attention to how the body responds. If nausea, discomfort, or sleep disturbance occurs, the habit should be paused rather than pushed. The body always gives feedback, and that feedback should be respected. Olive oil is not a magic cure, but when used wisely, it works in harmony with the body's natural repair cycle. This is the principle Dr. Barbara O'Neill often emphasizes. Healing does not come from force, but from supporting the body's design. A simple, mindful nightly habit can make a meaningful difference, especially for seniors, when it is done with patience, awareness, and respect for the body's limits.